Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Today we are going to be using a tool called Mongoose. You use it to make money online today. When I mean I'm able to make money, I have a proof to prove that I'm making money online using this. This is a proof. You guys can see the proof. You can see the amount of money I make every day. Strategy is an affiliate program, but it pays a lot. So before we start, like I said, if you are new, subscribe to my channel so you can get new strategy every day on how to make money, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. So thank you. Let's start. Today I will be using a website called mangoes.com. This website is an SEO tools which help websites to come on, enter the search on Google, push their website forward, make them push their websites forward. You get them more customer online. That's what this Mangoes tools is used for. So now I want to show you how to start using it. All you just have to do is click on start 10 days free trial. You create an account using your email address, enter a password, confirm your password. So you'll be sent a notification to your email for you to confirm, for you to create your account. So once you confirm, this is what it's going to look like. You can see what and you can read it. Available resources, you can see latest keywords. This site is just to boost your website, to boost anything you want to boost on the internet. So what we are dealing with on this site is affiliate program. So you click on it. So you can see you're giving 30% commission rate on people you send your link to. The expires 30 days. You pay out $150 per. You want to click on promo materials. Once you do a affiliate program, you click on promo materials. So this is your link I'm going to be using. The first one. So you copy it. It's copied already. You're going to be using a new site to shorten it so that it will look more appealing to people for people to click on it. So I'll let you stick to the end of this video because I want to give you a bonus on how to get people to use your link and get paid. So you're going to be using Bizly to shorten it. This is a Bizly website that shortens links and gets big results. So you just come here, you paste it, shorten. So this is your new link. Copy your link. So now I want to think of people that you know that you can send a link to that needs to boost their website, their video or anything. Think people. So people that stick to the end of this video, now this is I'm going to give you a tips and this is going to be the tips. You have to go over to Google, can search for anything. Everybody that has a website needs to boost their website. So you can easily get money paid every day for. I'm in Nigeria, so I can also search for dentists. You can search for anything. You can use salon. You can use massage, anything. So just dentist in Abuja. So you can see different websites. I advise you not to click on the first page of your Google search because these people they actually getting traffic every day, so they will not need the support. So you can just go to the second page. Let's use this website. So you just to cut. So these websites you can help them. You are helping them or you are gaining money by helping them. So what you does is you go to contact, send a message. You drop their email address, then let's see. This is their email address. So what you does do, I want to send them a message through their email. I can't give you a particular words or sentence to use or a template to use, but you can just think like, hello, I found out that your website is not getting enough of traffic or people are not visiting your website. I have a new trusted way of getting people to your website. You just give them some sort of things that you know that they make them to believe. You can also say that the same tool and she has been getting a lot of customers, clients through the website. So you just give them. So what you're going to do now is copy this website, copy their email, copy the email, then go to an email, compose an email. What you have to do now is to compose a good mail for them. You can paste your link directly in your first email, or you can wait for their reply before you give them your link. Like I said, you are helping them and they are paying you. You can see on the site for each for each client or people or a person that click on your link and sign up, you get 30%, and that's $150. Can say I get $150. So like I said, this Mango is just a site that I use to boost. It's the SEO extension. You can use it first. What SEO means is search engine. It works with the search engine that helps you bring out your website. Maybe somebody click on dentist now, your website will be among the top first lists of website that will come out as a dentist. It's not compulsory you must use Nigeria, you can work anywhere in the world. You can use anywhere in the world. You can use dentists in California, dentists in Dubai, dentists. It works anywhere. You get paid. You can use PayPal. There are different way of paying. PayPal, anything. I see payout. You have zero financial, but you can pay through PayPal. This is a new. You can see that I created a new account to show you guys. So as more people come in, you see, you start seeing the amount of money you get, and you can cash out any day. It's not per month, it's not per year. It works any day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you can get more videos on how to make money every day. Thank you.